And this is my pancit luglog, or rice noodle with a sauce. It's time to eat. This is the brand that I'm gonna use for my pancit luglog. Buddha brand rice stick. My shrimp for my pancit luglog. Okay, you see the water is boiling. I'm gonna boil this pancit. The noodle is already done. It has to be soft. It cannot be al dente. Okay, now it's time to drain the noodle. Wash it with cold water. Okay, these are the ingredients of the pancit luglog. So here we have 5 pieces of garlic already chopped, 1/4 of onion already chopped, 4 pieces of green onion for garnish already chopped. We're gonna use Mamacita Achuete powder for coloring. We're gonna use shrimp bouillon. We're gonna have shrimp. We're gonna have 1 pound ground pork, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, cornstarch to make the sauce thicker, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, let's start cooking. So we're gonna put this about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The fire is already going on. We're gonna put the shrimp. Cook the shrimp until they're pink. We're gonna put them here. We're gonna put more of this. Now we're gonna saute the garlic. We're gonna put the onion. We're gonna put Mamacita. I'm gonna put the whole package. I like it colorful. It's not that much. And now we're gonna put the ground pork. If your ground pork is a little bit dry, you can put some of this chicken broth. Okay, cover and wait. I think the pork is already done because I can see the oil coming out from the meat. So now we're gonna put some black pepper. We're gonna put a lot. We're gonna put this pink salt. This one we're probably gonna put this much. We'll add more later if it's needed. We're gonna put fish sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons for now. Then we'll add more later. And then we're gonna stir it again. Ooh, the house smells fish sauce. I hope my husband won't come home right now. He doesn't like the smell. Okay, now we're gonna put the chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can also use water. And then you just put some of the bouillon. If you have shrimp bouillon, you have chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, pork bouillon, to give it a taste. It gives a lot of flavor. Okay? Now I'm gonna put this bouillon. Nor bouillon. I'm gonna add 2 cups of this water because I want a lot of sauce. I think this little bowl is like 1.5 cup, so that will be 3 cups. Then I'm gonna put my bouillon, shrimp bouillon. It's been boiling for like 30 minutes. Let's taste it. Okay, it doesn't need anything anymore. The cornstarch, I put 4 teaspoons and a half a cup of water. We're gonna put this here to thicken the sauce. The sauce wasn't thick enough, so I put 2 more teaspoons of this cornstarch and a little bit water. We're gonna add it here. My sauce is not thick enough, so I decided to put 3 more teaspoons of this cornstarch and add it to the sauce. So it's up to you guys how you want your sauce to be thick. I want mine like a gravy sauce. So I think this should be good. So I'll just keep on stirring it. I got some chicharron and I'm crossing them. We're gonna put it on top of the pancit. I think that's good enough. Okay, we're ready to do the plate now for my dinner. This is the rice noodle that I boiled. This is the sauce. This is the calamondeng. Green onion for topping, shrimp that I cooked earlier. This is the chicharron that I pounded in pieces. And this is the hard-boiled egg. Then we're gonna put salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna start plating my pancit now. The sauce, we're gonna pour sauce over here. Like a lot of sauce. Like that. Then we're gonna put green onion. We're gonna put 2 shrimp. Gonna slice this egg. Just gonna use half of the egg. Some chicharron. Gonna use my hands. My hands are clean. Chicharron. Some more of this. And then I'm gonna squeeze the calamundeng. Has to be sour. Okay, let's get a napkin. I'm gonna put salt. I'm gonna put a little bit pepper. There it is. And this is my pancit luglog, or rice noodle with a sauce. It's time to eat. Okay, now here's my pancit luglog. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir it together like this, like that. And now let's try, see if it's good. First bite is for you guys. Tastes really good. It's just like the pancit luglog that I used to buy in the Angeles City by Crossing. Yummy. I hope you like it. Oh, I'm so full. Here's my plate. Oh my God, that was delicious. Ano ito?
Ready?
Bukas pang, baka lang ko yan hanapin.
Nakamayaya ko.
I got a visitor right here. She says she's lazy to come to my house, and when I show her the food on my messenger, I'm right there with a big Tupperware.
Bakit may Tupperware
Look at your Tupperware. I don't know where you put it. Right here.
Bisa ni Pangpot.
Show it to Sexy. Sexy, look how big is the Tupperware.
Bisa ni Pangko pa yan natin.
Kay ba naninipang kay ka to? Nang lagi nanita. Sumba. Aro, atinang Megs commented. Irene. Muhurin. Yailin.
Ayan.
Ano sa'yo mo pang?
Kulang yung chicharon?
Palmo man niya, pachay sauce na. May kaya, may sipsipiking nalagyo. So, nung nagyang palagay mo?
It's
Iyabi
good.
ko na yung sauce? O,
It's perfect.
Iyabi ko yung sauce?
No, alim. It's perfect.
Ano yan?
Hanapin. It's good.
May pa ka na anong diet kanyan.
Hanapin.
Wala nang diet. That subo is for Sexy, our BFF in the Philippines.
Yummy. YouTube may pa kanya niyan.
O pa, makayabiin kasi dintang yung bisita eh.
Oh, pwede mo?
Sa number?